From the vast expanse of space, Earth appears as a tiny blue oasis, a delicate gem floating in the infinite darkness of the cosmos. It is a fragile world, vulnerable to cosmic threats like asteroids and solar flares, as well as the consequences of our own actions. Climate change is a pressing concern that affects every corner of our planet. Temperatures are rising at an unprecedented rate, ice caps are melting faster than ever, and extreme weather events such as hurricanes and wildfires are becoming more frequent and severe. Our planet's resources, from fresh water to fossil fuels, are finite and precious. We are depleting them at an alarming rate, pushing our environment to the brink of collapse. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and asteroid impacts serve as stark reminders of the precarious nature of our existence on this planet. In light of these challenges, humanity needs a backup plan, a safety net for our continued survival. We need a second home, a lifeboat for our species, to ensure that we can endure even the most catastrophic events. Mars, our planetary neighbour, offers a glimmer of hope in this regard. It is a challenging environment, with its thin atmosphere and harsh conditions, but it holds the potential for human colonization and a new chapter in our story. Mars represents a chance for survival, a new beginning for humanity, where we can learn from our past mistakes and build a sustainable future. It is a call to action, a challenge to push the boundaries of science and technology, to innovate and adapt in ways we never thought possible. Our journey to Mars will require the best of human ingenuity, from developing new technologies to creating sustainable living conditions in an alien world. This endeavour embodies the indomitable human spirit of exploration and our relentless pursuit of knowledge and survival. By striving to colonize Mars, we are not only securing a future for ourselves, but also leaving a legacy for future generations, ensuring that humanity continues to thrive and explore the universe. Mars stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to our resilience and our unyielding desire to overcome the challenges that threaten our existence. Why Mars? What is it about this red planet that calls to us? Why not another planet or moon? Why not the moon, which is closer, or Venus, which is similar in size to Earth? Mars possesses several key characteristics that make it a prime candidate for human settlement. Its surface conditions and the presence of essential resources make it uniquely suitable. It has a day-night cycle similar to Earth's, approximately 24.6 hours. This is crucial for human circadian rhythms, helping us to adapt more easily to life on Mars. Mars has polar ice caps, a potential source of water. Water is essential for life as we know it, and having access to it on Mars could support human colonies. While the Martian atmosphere is thin, it does provide some protection from solar radiation. This thin layer of atmosphere, though not breathable, can help shield us from harmful cosmic rays. The challenges of colonizing Mars are significant, but not insurmountable. From the harsh climate to the need for sustainable living conditions, each obstacle is a step towards innovation. We need to develop technologies for long-duration space travel. This includes advancements in spacecraft design, life support systems, and propulsion methods to ensure safe journeys to and from Mars. Creating a breathable atmosphere on Mars is crucial. This involves complex processes like terraforming, which could take centuries but would make the planet more Earth-like. We must find ways to generate food, energy, and other resources sustainably. This includes developing Martian agriculture, harnessing solar energy, and utilizing local materials for construction. These challenges are daunting, but they also present incredible opportunities for innovation and discovery. The quest to colonize Mars could lead to breakthroughs that benefit all of humanity, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. The journey to Mars will be long and perilous. It is a mission that will test the limits of human ingenuity and endurance. The vast distance between Earth and Mars means that astronauts will be isolated from home for extended periods, facing numerous unknowns. We need to develop spacecraft capable of transporting large crews and supplies. These spacecraft must be equipped with life support systems that can sustain human life for months, if not years. The design must also consider the psychological well-being of the crew, providing them with a comfortable and safe environment. Radiation shielding is essential to protect astronauts from harmful cosmic rays. Without adequate protection, the health risks posed by prolonged exposure to space radiation could be catastrophic. Innovative materials and technologies are being explored to create effective barriers against this invisible threat. Artificial gravity systems may be necessary to mitigate the negative effects of prolonged weightlessness. Extended periods in microgravity can lead to muscle atrophy and bone density loss. By simulating gravity, we can help maintain the physical health of astronauts during their journey. Landing on Mars presents its own set of challenges. The planet's surface is rugged and unpredictable, with dust storms that can last for months. Navigating these conditions requires precise engineering and robust technology. The thin atmosphere makes it difficult to slow down large spacecraft. Unlike Earth, Mars does not provide the same level of atmospheric drag to assist in deceleration. This means we need to develop new methods to ensure a controlled descent. We need to develop advanced landing systems to ensure a safe arrival. These systems must be capable of handling the unique challenges posed by Mars's environment, including its lower gravity and thin atmosphere. Precision and reliability are key. Once on the surface, we will need to construct habitats that can withstand the harsh Martian environment. These habitats must be durable and self-sustaining, providing all the necessities for human life, including air, water, and food. These habitats must provide protection from radiation, extreme temperatures, and dust storms. They will need to be equipped with advanced life support systems and be capable of withstanding the planet's harsh conditions for extended periods. The future of human exploration depends on our ability to overcome these challenges and fulfill the promise of reaching Mars. Terraforming Mars, transforming it into a more Earth-like planet, is a long-term goal. One approach involves releasing greenhouse gases into the Martian atmosphere. This could potentially warm the planet and thicken the atmosphere, allowing liquid water to exist on the surface. Another approach involves redirecting comets or asteroids to impact Mars. These impacts could deliver water and other volatiles to the planet. Terraforming Mars is a monumental task. It would require advanced technologies and a sustained global effort. However, the potential rewards are immense. A terraformed Mars could provide a second home for humanity, ensuring the long-term survival of our species. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars requires a robust transportation system. We need to develop reusable spacecraft capable of making regular trips between Earth and Mars. Space-based fuel depots could be established to reduce the amount of fuel that needs to be launched from Earth. On the surface of Mars, we will need to develop efficient and reliable transportation networks. Rovers, perhaps even flying vehicles, will be essential for exploring the Martian landscape and transporting resources. Underground tunnels could provide protection from radiation and temperature extremes. Living on Mars will require significant adaptations. The lower gravity could have long-term effects on human health. We may need to develop specialized exercise regimes and medical treatments. Radiation exposure is another concern. Martian habitats will need to be shielded, and astronauts may need to spend limited time outside. The psychological challenges of living on Mars should not be underestimated. Isolation, confinement, and the stress of living in a hostile environment could take a toll on mental health. We need to develop strategies for maintaining crew morale and psychological well-being. A Martian colony will need to be self-sufficient. Resources will need to be extracted and utilized on-site. Mars is thought to have significant mineral resources, including iron, aluminum, and titanium. These resources could be used to build habitats, infrastructure, and even spacecraft. Water ice, potentially found in the polar ice caps and underground, could be extracted and purified for drinking and agriculture. Closed-loop life support systems will be crucial for recycling air, water, and waste. The human spirit is driven by exploration and discovery. We are a species of explorers, constantly seeking to push the boundaries of what is possible. The colonization of Mars represents the next great frontier, a challenge that will inspire generations to come. The pursuit of knowledge is a fundamental human endeavor. Mars holds many secrets waiting to be unlocked. Studying the geology, climate, and potential for life on Mars could provide us with invaluable insights into the history of our solar system and the origins of life itself. Becoming a multiplanetary species is not just about survival. It is about expanding our horizons, both physically and intellectually. It is about securing the future of humanity and ensuring that our species has a role to play in the grand cosmic drama. The challenges of colonizing Mars will force us to innovate and develop new technologies. These technologies will have applications far beyond Mars, potentially revolutionizing fields such as energy, transportation, and medicine here on Earth. The colonization of Mars will be one of the greatest achievements in human history. It will be a testament to our ingenuity, our resilience, and our unwavering spirit of exploration. It will be a symbol of hope for the future, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, humanity can overcome any challenge. Mars beckons, a red beacon in the night sky. It is a challenge, an opportunity, a destiny. It is a future that we must seize, not for ourselves, but for all of humanity.